So today we will discuss about sounds, vibrations. We have vibration in sound. Okay, vibration in sound. Okay, listen. We have
Yeah.
first. We have free vibration. Okay, free natural. Okay, clear.
Yeah.
Second, we have force vibration. Force vibration. Third, we have resonance. Okay, resonance we have. Okay, three types of vibration we have. We come to the free vibration. Okay, free vibration. Free means natural. Those vibrations, those vibrations which naturally, produce naturally. It means like we have different types of body and different as its natural frequency. So when body vibrate without any external, it means absence of force. Okay, it vibrate continuously. Vibration. Look at this definition. The vibration of a body in the of any external force. It means you do not no need to apply a body vibrate continuously. So that as free vibrations or known as natural vibration. Okay, at which natural vibration take place known as natural. Okay, clear? And this type of vibration not depend on any external like force, like pressure, like temperature. It is natural. It always vibrate at its natural frequency. Again, I repeat, vibrations of a body in the absence of any external source, that vibrations are known as free. Okay, now some example of free vibration. First example, bow of a simple pendulum. Naya,
Sorry?
pendulum.
Oh, yeah.
Bow of
Yeah.
okay, pendulum means that watch we are using na in wall clock. Pendulum. Pendulum vibrate at its natural frequency. How it vibrates? Pendulum we have is known as spring, and this metallic part. Okay, and this bob of pendulum vibrate like this, continuously vibrate like this, and this type of motion is known as and fro motion. Which motion? To and fro, or oscillatory, okay, oscillatory motion. And this of pendulum, this type of vibration is known as free vibration. It's the first example of free vibration. Now come to the second example of free vibration. Second example, when you attach a body, like second example, come here, load suspended from a, and you suspended load from a spring like this. Spring you have, and you suspend on spring, and spring makes a motion up and down. And spring is known as natural vibration. It is free vibration. Example, example number third for free vibration. When a turning fork is struck against a hard rubber, it vibrates at natural frequency. Turning fork always vibrates at its okay turning fork. Clear to you? And turning fork always pure knot like this. I will show you pure knot. Types of knot. Like first one, okay, and one like this. Okay, and fourth one like, fifth one like this. So which first one? It is a pure mode. Okay, this one is the pure. Pure mode means fixed frequency. Pure mode means frequency. That's the tuning fork mode. It means vibrate at fixed frequency, known as pure mode.
Yeah.
Am I clear? Okay. Now come to the example of when we strike the keys of piano, various strings are set. That vibrations are also known as natural frequency. Keys of piano, different sound produced, and that vibrations are natural vibration. Example number 5. When an air collar flute on an organ pipe. Okay, in organ pipe, organ pipe is a type of wind instrument. Okay, now I have two types of organ pipe. First, which is open from both ends. Open from both ends. Both ends. And second one is open from one end. Open from one end. From here. Okay. But here, first figure, both side open. Both are types of organ pipe. After passing air, produce sound. In this organ pipe, there is a different number of holes. This hole or increase or decrease the length of. Okay. Now listen. Frequency inversely proportional to length. Okay, if is then frequency will decrease in case of air collar. Now how they vibrate? Now come to the content. Now this one very important. When it is organ pipe is off both hand, then its frequency ratio is 1:2:3. 2:3 means like it produced large at 5 meter, multiple of 2 at 10 meter, then multiple of 3 at 15 meter. It close from one end. When it close from one end, it when it close from one end, okay, then its frequency ratio is 1:5. It means it show the maximum frequency at 5 meter, then a distance of multiple of 3, 15, then multiple of 5, 20. So come to the diagram again. Two types of pipe. From both hand, it will show 1:2:3, like maximum frequency at 5 meter, then multiple of 2, 10 meter, 3, 15 meter. This length is the length of air collar. But in case of open from one end, its frequency is 1:5. It means it shows maximum frequency at 5 meter, then 15, then multiple of 5, it will show at 25. It is a air column. Okay, length of air column. So different length of air column, different amount of frequency. Okay, clear to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Clear?
Yeah.
Organ pipe open from both hand and open from one end. And organ pipe frequency depend upon length of air column. How length increase, frequency will decrease. Now, where we show the maximum frequency? In case of open from both ends, it would be 1 ratio, 2 ratio, 3 ratio, 4 ratio, so on. But in case of open, 1 ratio, 3 ratio, 5 ratio, 7 ratio, 9 ratio, 11, it is odd multiple, natural number. Okay, clear? Now come to the next example for string instrument. And the string instrument like sitar, guitar, violin is vibration. Now in case of string instrument, frequency depend upon three: first length, second thickness, and third tension. How it depend? Come to the board. In string instrument, okay, from three factors. First, it depends upon length. How inversely proportional. If length increase, then frequency decrease. Second, it depends upon thickness. If this radius increase, then frequency will decrease. Third, it tension. Tension means force. Okay, so more for frequency. Okay, and three factor in string instrument: length of the string, thickness of the string, and tension. Here R for thickness, it means radius. R for radius. Tell us about the thickness of string. Okay, clear? String instrument depend on three factor: length, radius, and tension. It means four. Now come to the next example. Example number 7. String of given length between two ends can be. It may only from where you apply the force. Now for this, come to the. I will show you. Look at the figure 7.4. Figure 7. Plug from the anywhere, then one upside, one downside. But if you plug from the middle, two frequency, it means two oscillation. But when you 1/3, then you get the how many oscillation? 3. Okay. Frequency firstly F, then become 2F, then become 3F. Because number of oscillation 1, 2, 3. Okay, it depends on where you apply the force. In a different point you apply the force, different number of oscillation will produce. Okay, for this, come to the board again. Now, listen, first figure like only one oscillation. In oscillation become double. In third figure, oscillation become 3 times like this. So here frequency F, frequency become double, 3 oscillation become triple. Wavelength here 1/3, wavelength become triple. Okay, like this. We cross it like simply write wavelength lambda, wavelength become triple because frequency is inversely proportional. When frequency become double, then wavelength become half. Frequency become triple, frequency always inversely proportional to failure. Clear to you? So now first topic again repeat. First topic is free vibration. Vibration with natural vibrations when there is a no external, it means vibration in a body in the absence of any external force. Example, go simple pendulum. Second, load suspended with a spring. Third, we have in a turning Fourth we have keys of piano. Fifth we have organ pipe, string instrument. Seven again string, but from where you means where you apply the force. That point it depends. Seven example variation. Now, what you get from the free variation? How you can draw? Look 7.5. Figure 7 point show the natural vibration in this note that number of oscillation is same and amplitude is the amplitude. This one. This vibration. Okay. This one. It is the amplitude. This one. Okay. Anaya?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
Anaya? Anaya, clear to you?
Yeah.
It is a diagram of natural vibration. In natural vibration, Anaya? Hello?
Hello.
Anaya?
Yeah.
Free vibration done. Now next topic is damped vibration. Damped vibration. What is the difference between damped vibration and listen? In damped vibration, your amplitude continues. First the definition: the periodic vibration of a body of fluid mean in presence of resistive force means motion offered by air. Okay, force means friction offered by air power. Air particles offer friction. That's why it's apply resistive force. Amplitude become damped. Look downside the figure is there damped vibration. This one 7.6. In this amplitude continuously decreasing. Continuously, so it shows that it is a damped vibration. Which vibration? Damped. And figure 7.5. Amplitude continuously remains same as undamped. Known as undamped or natural. Okay. Natural vibration, free vibration, many names. Undamped, natural, free. This one is known as damped when amplitude continuously decreasing. Now some vibration. Example of damped vibration. Listen, this one. A body free to vibrate in air when disturbed from its rest position. Execute damped vibration. For example, this limb of branch of tree is pulled and then released. It makes damp. Because when you release it, after some time that branch of the tree comes in rest. Its vibration continuously decreasing. That vibration is known as damp. Okay. Now, next topic. Free vibration done. Damp vibration done. Now we have next point. Force vibration. Naya?
Yeah.
Naya? Temp vibration
Yeah.
done. Now we have force vibration. Name only clear this term. Force. V, it means without force. Okay. Without force means free
Yeah.
vibration, but force vibration required force. Force is there after applying force. Like you apply force on body, vibrating. That vibration is known as force vibration. But free vibration in absence of force. It is the main difference between force vibration. Okay. For vibration, again I repeat, it requires external. Now come to the content. This is one definition. The body which take place under the influence of external acting on it are called the force vibration. Okay. Force act. Force vibration done. Now some example of force vibration. Examples. We have four examples. First one, when a stamp of vibrating tuning fork is pressed against the top of table. A tuning fork, it means you need a force like second diaphragm, gramophone, sound box. You firstly need applying force. Applying force, it will vibrate like guitar. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, for example,
Hello.
guitar is played. You need to apply force on it. Okay, when you apply the force on strings, then only it vibrate. That's why it is force vibration. Instrument like guitar, sitar, or you need applying force on it. Without force, they will not vibrate. Okay, and not produce sound. So these are the examples of force vibration. You must apply force on it, then only they vibrate and okay, known as force vibration. Now, the term of this part is resonance. Resonance, in school, you know about resonance?
Uh, yeah, we've brushed on it.
Resonance means, you know,
I don't really know the definition.
not sure.
Yeah.
It's actually that types of vibration. Listen, resonance means the types of vibration. Resonance. It's a no types of vibration actually. Listen carefully. We have a type like we have free vibration. Free vibration body frequency is equal to its natural frequency. Then we have force vibration, where body frequency not equal to natural frequency. Not equal to natural frequency. Again I repeat, frequency equal to natural frequency known as free vibration, but frequency known as force vibration. But after applying force you applying, But in force applying when natural frequency and frequency become equal, known as that condition is known as resonance. That condition is known as condition is known as okay. Again, I repeat, very important point. So that's listen. We have types of vibration. First one, we have free vibration. Free means when is equal to applied frequency. Then we have force vibration. Content. Look at this. Resonance. Special case of force vibration. Listen carefully. Free vibration, body vibrate at its natural frequency. Force vibration, after applying force, vibrate but other than natural frequency. But in case of force vibration, body vibrate at natural frequency after applying force. That resonance. The downside return condition of resonance. Okay, it is written that condition of resonance means when after applying force that frequency both frequency become downside and resonance occur when the frequency of applied force equal to the natural frequency. Ananya, resonance occurs of applied force equal to the exactly equal to the natural frequency equal to the natural. When both become equal, that vibration is known as or condition is known as resonance. Now, again I write. Now, firstly we have in absence of force. When frequency of body equal to natural. Condition. Second, we have force vibration. Applying force, but condition is for frequency not equal to the natural and for natural. But in case of force frequency, when natural frequency equal to this condition is known as resonance. At resonance, amplitude of sound become maximum. Amplitude, it means sound become louder. Sound become, during resonance only sound become louder. Now, we have some experiment or some diagrams related to how we get this term resonance. Look at the first experiment. This one, figure 7.7. Anaya,
Yeah.
look at this diagram, very important. Listen, this figure first, on first we apply the force. Okay, on first only we apply, then transfer to the nearby tuning fork A to B. It transfer to the sound box. It means lot of sound particles. So vibration easily can transfer from A box to B box, and B also start vibrate at its natural frequency. Like frequency of, so B also is F. Why both are equal? Because they are identical. Clear? Now from this experiment, what we get conclusion from this experiment, reason is there. Vibrating tuning fork A produce the force vibration in the air column of its sound. Vibration are of large amplitude because of large surface area of air. Because sound, more particles, more vibration. They are communicating also the fork B. The air column B start vibrating and with the frequency. Why both have same frequency? Because they are identical in shape. That's why fully at its natural frequency. Okay, clear to you?
Yeah.
First experiment. Now we have second experiment tuning fork. Look at this diagram, figure 7.8. String with a bob A, B, C, D. So which two vibrate at such a frequency? Which two? Number 4. Vibrate. If I am applying force on A, I am applying force on A only. Then which one also vibrate at equal frequency as A? Which one? Out of B, C, and D? Out of B, C, and D, which one also as vibration produced in A? Which one? Out of B, C, and D? Why? Because both are identical in shape, the same size. Okay. D also vibrate. C and D also vibrate. But C and vibrate at force vibration. But A, B are identical at one term. That term is known as resonance. Because resonance, but C and D also vibrate, but vibrate other than natural frequency, known as force vibration. So again I repeat, when we apply the force on A string, then A string pass the vibration to C, C to B, B to D, so on. But A and C is natural frequency. It means resonance achieved because they have, but B same side. C and D vibrate also, but the force vibration other than natural frequency because they are not equal in length. Okay. Next experiment number 3, figure 7, figure 7.9. In this we have a and B, a beaker with water. Both are connected with a rubber tube. So near the tube A we have a tuning fork which will and transfer this vibration to the air particle, that air to. Okay. Now when we struck it against the tuning fork, then place it near the tube A, then sound produce like sound produced near A at like at 5 meter. Okay, then length of air column increase, then frequency increase or decrease? Air column increase. It means the level of water decrease in tube. Then what happened with the frequency? Again I repeat. To length. So air column. Now I will show you that. I will show you this pointer. Not here. first topic, come to the first topic again for this. This one, the organ pipe. Organ pipe also air column. When an air column in a fluid organ pipe is made to vibrate, it is inversely proportional to the length of air column. Inversely proportional. It means length of air column if increase. Okay, like with the water. Okay, here you have a tuning fork. So length of air column. Length of air column decrease or increase, then frequency increase or decrease frequency. Okay, so I give you one point question. It show the maximum sound at the length of air column. Then again it show at which length? At which length again? Anaya. Again repeat, at the length of air column is 5 meter, its loudness. Okay, maximum loud sound. Which length? If water column decrease, air column increase, again it show the maximum loudness. 6 meter, 7 meter, 8 meter, 9 meter. It will show at the length of, then again show 25 meter. Again repeat, this ratio 3 ratio 5, one end close open pipe, one end close pipe, you know, it is closed from one end. So if 5 meter, then again it show at multiple of 3, 15 meter, 5, 25 meter, show the same loudness. But if it is then ratio is 1 ratio, 2 ratio, 3, 4, so on. Close from one end, it is 1, 3, 5. So that term only given in this content. Now come to the content. Come to the experiment. And I will show you the result we got from this one. Okay. Well, vibrating tuning held just above the mouth of tube A cause the force vibration air column. When the frequency of air column is changed by increasing the length of air column and of water in tube A loud sound is heard. That loud sound heard because of resonance. Because resonance we have 1 ratio, then 3 ratio, then 5. It is mentioned as a note. If an air column of given length 1 and close, the frequency of different bit are in the ratio 1 ratio, 3 ratio, 5. It means if it shows the loudness at 5 meter, then multiple of 3, again it show more loudness 15. Between them 5 to 15, between 5 to 15, it show the simple sound. But at multiple of 3, 15 meter, again show greater loudness. And multiple of 5, 25 meter, again show the greater loudness. This point clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? Now, some example of resonance in your daily life. Sympathetic vibration of pendulum. Already you know, if a pendulum of equal length, the first experiment, as discussed earlier, experiment 2. If two pendulums of same length, okay, this point is made, same length, are suspended, and one pendulum is made vibrate, then other also start vibrate, increasing amplitude, resonance achieved in same phase because of resonance. Okay. Example, resonance in machine parts. Example, you know, when we increase the speed of bike, or any, then the parts of bike produce a rattling sound. You know, rattling. Anaya?
Yeah.
When we increase the, then its machine parts, its engine parts start producing.
Yeah.
You know why machine parts produce rattling sound?
Mm,
Listen, when we increase the speed at certain time, that frequency of our car match with the frequency of our machine parts. Frequency match up, then which condition achieve? Resonance. Because of resonance, loud sound that is known as rattling sound. Okay, at this particular speed of vehicle, that parts start vibrating vigorously due to resonance, and if this part is not tightly fixed, then the vibration may cause stop out. To stop this vibration, what we have to do? We should change the speed of vehicle. When we change the speed of vehicle, then frequency of body machine part match with the scooter or bike. Now, resonance in stretch strain box of musical instrument and sonometer. This question exam like this. Why we provide? Why we provide sound box? Okay. Why we provide with the musical instrument? You know. Why? Why it happen? Why we provide? Anaya, you. Why we provide sound box with a musical instrument?
so that it gets louder.
Yes, very good. To increase the loudness of sound, because when the particles amount increase, in case of that sound box, that particle amounts increase, then column increase, length of the column increase, particle increase, it will show the greater vibration. Now, example number fifth. Example number fifth, resonance in a bridge. Resonance in a bridge. When a troop means that the soldiers are asked to break step. When they are moving, the commander asks them to break steps. There, the reason is that when soldiers march in steps, all the separate periodic forces exert by them in the same phase, because they are moving periodically, and therefore force vibration of particular frequency are produced in the bridge. The natural frequency of bridge, which make it happen. When it happen, bridge also with large amplitude, suspension bridge could be crumbled. Okay, okay, that's why that commander asks them when they cross the bridge that steps. It means no need to move in a periodically to the bridge. Last example of resonance in radio and TV receivers. Okay, radio and TV receiver, that particular types of signal only catch by the receiver. This I will show you board how it happened. Like this, like your antenna or tower dish. There is a lot of signal from the satellite. From the satellite come to the your TV antenna. Lot of TV antenna only receive those signal whose frequency, whose natural frequency match with the frequency of your device. Only those signal received by antenna. other signal rejected. Okay, rejected by antenna. Why it happened? Because of resonance. Because whereas the natural frequency of TV signal, like when you listen the FM 92.7 hertz or 95 hertz, okay, 90 like this. So resonance natural frequency match with the frequency of that frequency. Signal rejected, other signal rejected by the antenna. Resonance only it accept whose natural frequency match with the frequency of antenna. So it's a complete second topic of resonance. Now, Anaya, next day, actually we are doing sound waves. Sound wave divided to three parts. First part previously, second part today done. Okay, third part will next topic, next day. No problem.
No.
Actually, show you there is a three part in sound waves. In sound waves, we have three parts. Firstly, introduction on Tuesday done. Okay. Second, we have types today, and third we have characteristics of sound. That will get lecture on. Now next working day, it will be Tuesday. Tuesday you want next section?
Sorry?
Next class Tuesday.
I think so.
Okay. So now today concept again. I repeat all the points.
Okay.
Now sound vibration. First, free vibration. Now tell me about free vibration. You only tell. What do you mean by free vibration? Naya,
Yeah.
define free vibration.
Mm,
Free vibration vibrate absence of force. Any external force and body frequency equal to its frequency. And this type of phenomena only take place in vacuum. In vacuum. Clear?
Yeah.
Now second, force vibration. It will happen in presence of force. Firstly. Natural frequency not equal to the applied frequency, but in presence of when natural frequency equal to the applied frequency is known as resonance. Okay, in resonance amplitude is high, be or become louder during the resonance, important resonance. Okay, now, okay, your point today topic what we get. We have different types. Firstly, string instrument. Now, different type of instrument. Firstly, we have string instrument. String instrument. Instrument depend upon which factors? Which factors it depend? String instrument depend upon which factors? It depends on length, depends on thickness, depends on tension. Tension means thickness means radius, and length. How it depends? Frequency inversely proportional to length, frequency inversely proportional to thickness, frequency directly proportional to tension. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Anaya, clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Next point we have after string instrument. Next we have wind instrument. Give me one example of wind instrument. One example of wind instrument, like piano or like flute, like.
Yeah.
Okay, it depends upon one factor only one factor of air column, length of air column. How it depends? Frequency inversely proportional to length. It means when length of air column increase, then frequency decrease. Okay, okay. In this case, types of pipe we have, like for both side open organ pipe. Okay, and second, one side open, both side open and one side open. In both organ pipe we have resonance is 1:2, 3:4:5, so on. But in case of one side of it will be 1:3:5:7. So like, so the maximum frequency as 5 meter, then multiple of 2 at 10 meter, then multiple of 3 again it will show, and multiple of 4 again it show. Side open, if at 5 meter show, then again 10, 15 meter, 35 meter, then 35 meter, so on, at these multiples. Clear?
Yeah.
It's a complete conclusion of our. Any doubt?
No.
So revise from your book, then bring your doubts also in next lecture. Clear?
Yeah.
And one thing, both side of this one, like fluid, you know, in fluid there is a number of these holes only help to change the length. Okay, these holes only change the length of air column. Now look at some important questions. Now, read this question number 27. A, B, C, D are 4 pendulums suspended from the string XY. Length of pendulum A and D are equal, while C is B smaller, C is longer. Okay. When pendulum A is set, what is your observation? What you observe? A into set into vibration. Then what happen? What will you observe? What will you observe?
When
When A pendulum is set to vibration in B, C and D,
both Go.
Which will also vibrate with same frequency?
D.
B, because equal length, and B and C also vibrate at vibration. Okay, other than natural frequency. That is the reason of your observation. Our reason is A and D of equal length. Now, next question. Tube ABCD. Okay, ABCD we have. Now, tube is 20 centimeter. Now, 14, 16, 18. This type of question you have to try. So this question based on experiment. Okay, on
Yeah.
experiment. This type of question we have to try from your book. Clear to you?
Yeah.
In this, this type of observation you will see. You have to try like no loud sound is here with the tube A and C. Sound is here in A and C because A length is here 16, 18, because we know that less frequency, more frequency in D. So D only produce, because air length of air column is less length of air column, more frequency. So D only vibrate and A is least, because A length of air column is more length of air column. Okay. Now another question also. Okay. This type of experiment principle is the resonance. And listen this question: why are provide with the sound box? Question number 30. Because sound box provide the more particle, means more loudness, more vibration. That's why we provide sound box. 29 question. The suspension bridge. The soldier has to break step. Why? Because they break the time. If they not break the step, then frequency of their steps match with the frequency of bridge, and bridge may be also vibrate or maybe break. So to prevent to process suspension bridge, soldier has to break their steps. Sufficient for today?
Yeah.
Sound second third part we will continue in next lecture. Okay, goodbye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.